all eyes are zooming in sa kanya because her new show is coming very, very soon. This is Alawad Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with me is my kumaring Usha Maldita,
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
and you are watching the Kitty Show, Tarayan at Talakian Showbiz Edition. Before we even go to her new show, Mara, ano ba itong mga latest sightings si Catherine Bernardo na everyone is talking about?
The latest sighting was she and yung jowa niyang
Mayor
mayor
Mark
ng
Alcala.
Lucena, si Mark Alcala, they were seen inside a mall,
Mhm.
particularly inside a clothing apparel brand
Mhm.
store.
They're shopping together.
They're shopping together.
Mhm.
Yun. Actually, ano to parang, come to think of it,
Mm.
from the very first time they were seen together, that was staged.
Mm.
Sa kanila naman din nanggagaling yung
Okay, mga palabas.
Oo
Yung mga paandar.
Mga, pipicturehan sila, bibidyohan sila,
Mhm.
tapos ilalabas sa kung saan-saan.
Mm.
Diba?
You feel it's staged.
Oo.
Feeling mo dito organic. Hindi
Yeah.
hindi totoong mga
It's
parazzi.
their way of, it's their way of, coming out as a couple
Mhm.
na hindi umaamin.
Mhm.
Only through pictures and videos.
Mm.
Di ba? Kasi, grabe naman yung mga fans.
Mhm.
Napunta sa BGC, nandun din sila.
Ah.
Nagpunta dito sa, Rockville, nandun din sila.
Di ba
Nagpunta
pwede nagkataon nandun sila lahat?
Ha? Excuse me, no? Pwede ba? Tigilan ako, no? Tsaka hindi, they were acting sweet. They were acting like a couple. Di ba?
Mm.
Parang,
How should they act in public ba? Di ba couple sila? So dapat nga sweet sila in public, di ba?
oo nga, pero parang, there are more than enough evidences and yet they were not talking.
Ah.
Di ba? Parang, they are proud and yet they are not proud.
Mm.
Alam mo yun, yung ganon?
Mhm. Parang sala sa init, sala sa lamig silang dalawa.
Oo, di ba?
Alam ng lahat, magkarelasyon kayo, umaarte kayo, magkarelasyon kayo, pero yung pag-amin tungkol sa relasyon, wala pa rin.
Oo.
Mm.
At saka, it should never be asked during interviews, di ba? Parang, ano yun? Nakakaloko.
Well, hayaan na natin sila sa kanilang magulong estado ng setup. Ang gusto kong malaman, anong makasabi mo ngayong bumulaga na ang trailer ng bagong programa ni Catherine Bernardo kung saan kasama niya si James Lee. Ano nga ba title nito?
Someone Someday.
Someone Someday. From what I've read sa X, marami hindi masyadong satisfied doon sa nakitang trailer. And they're not even after it not being a romantic story because this is about an ate and her relationship sa kanyang kapatid, an ate and her relationship parang breadwinner sa family.
Yeah.
This is about friendship and all those jazz. Ang dating sa mga katkatera, parang masyado raw minadali yung trailer. Walang ka-promise-promise. Parang, nakita na namin lahat yan. Nagagawa na rin lang kayo ng trailer. Hindi pa exciting. Number 2, para naman sa mga talakera, ang dating raw ng trailer, bagong luma. Walang bagong pinapakita. Parang, ang bago lang ata yung pagtatambal nila ni James. Pero yung mga nangyayari, ang judgmental nila. Bakit ba sila lahat laging judgmental pag Catherine Bernardo ang project?
Kasi she has set a standard so high, so she has to outlive.
That's a very valid point, ha? Ang ganda niyan.
She has to outlive
her previous projects.
Hindi. She has to outlive the very good impression that she has left behind. She has to topple
her last project. Ano man yun.
Diba? Because, tawag dito, she is an A-lister, diba? And yet, tawag dito, sabi nga ng mga
netizen,
nakukulangan
pa.
Diba?
Kasi diba, minsan, for example, pag si Coco Martin ang gumawa at nakita mo yung trailer, sa trailer pala excited ka na eh. Di ba? Or pag gumawa ng mga palabas si Jericho Rosales. Trailer pa lang, uy, ano to? Di ba? Di ba? May ganun eh. Ang dating sa audience, ano pa to?
You know why?
Oh, ang lambot-lambot.
You know why?
Oh, why?
Kasi, si, tag dito,
Si Coco.
si Coco Martin, yung standard niya, pina-follow niya.
Okay.
Slambang action,
Mm-mm.
blasting here, there, and everywhere, di ba? Tapos,
Echo,
ang mga eksena, malalaki, di ba? Crowd scene. Si Echo, talagang dramatic. Talagang may nuances yung character niya, may angas.
May impact agad.
May impact agad. Ito kasi si si Catherine, nabuhay siya for the longest time sa love team nila ni Daniel. So, kumbaga, ang pagtingin sa kanya, nung nawala si Daniel, she will still follow the very formula that made her the Catherine Bernardo that she is now.
Lalo na, I think this is her very first project on TV. Nawala si
Daniel. O, di ba? Lahat yan, kumbaga, may template si Coco. May template si
Echo.
Atong
template bila ni Catherine, nagiba eh. Diba? Nagiba.
Binago yung template kay Catherine. So, that is the challenge that she and her team are facing now.
So, can we safely say, or can we deduce that tong project na to is a make or break for her, TV-wise? Kasi if this clicks, wonderful. Pero pag hindi,
actually,
make or break talaga to sa kanya, lalo sa TV, di ba? Kasi
Catherine is in the stage where she is not only in the make or break stage, but also in the stage where she has to admit na dwindling yung kanyang karera.
At ang kanyang popularidad.
Oo. All because of the monstrosity of her love team with Daniel.
It ended quite...
Kasi they were a love team for 12 years.
12 years.
Oo. You cannot break that down. You cannot just di ba?
Pero kasi, but Daniel move on career-wise.
Yeah.
Ang bongga niya sa Incognito.
Yeah.
Di ba? Napakita niya talagang, I can stand alone.
Yeah.
I can be myself. I can do action. I can do hard drama. So, make or break sa kanya Incognito. Tama ako. Pero, pasok.
Make siya, hindi break.
Oo. Made na made. And even, his relationship with Kayla Estrada are getting all the praises.
And
tanggap ng lahat.
And to think, wala pang admission
yun. Pero tanggap ng lahat. Walang nanginega. Walang naiintriga. Even Janice and John Estrada are open to the idea of Daniel being Kayla's close friend. Doon lang muna sa close friend. Pero mas nakakatakot for Catherine eh. Kasi parang, I saw the trailer as well. Nakulangan ako talaga, sis.
Hindi, the problem with Catherine kasi is that there is inconsistency. May inconsistency sa kanya.
Gusto ko yung point mong yan.
Kasi, tawag dito, yun nga the problem with her is that she is the biggest star. Whether we like it or not, she is the biggest star. Siya lang ang naka-break ng 1 billion.
Yes,
di ba?
Parang
yun,
she has that power.
Career
high yun.
Career high yun, di ba? So there is no other way but to go down.
Oo. You cannot stay up.
You cannot.
And even the biggest superstars like Vilma, Nora, Maricel, Sharon, may ligwak. So feeling mo, ligwak cycle na to?
Kasi she has reached the pinnacle of her career.
Sa pelikula?
Oo. Yung sa
Hindi niya na makatapatan yun.
Mawawala sa show business.
Hindi niya
mapapantayan man lang yung kanyang sinet na standard.
Pelikula. Pero sa TV, ang last show niya was yung Sila Pa ni Daniel, di ba? Yung, ano ba yung
Too good to be true.
So, is it too good to be true? Kung sasabihin natin, dapat positive tayo dito sa pangyayari to kay Catherine? Or dapat kahit siya, tanggapin niya na dapat, oops, teka, what say you? As our closing statement.
Kasi ang problema kay Catherine, wala siya kaagad follow up. Unlike Daniel, 'di ba? Nag-incognito, 'di ba? Tapos meron pang ginagawa ngayon na incognito to yata, 'di ba? Oh. Ibig sabihin, hindi yung the spacing of his projects are very yung halos magkakasunod lang. Eh si Catherine, na-cancel, na-shelve yung Elena. Oh, 'di ba? Hinipe 'yon, 'di ba?
Elena 1945.
Period film, 'di ba? Oh, parang touted to be the biggest movie of her career. And then it was shelved. 'Di ba?
Tapos naging busy na siya kay Mark.
Tapos how long ago was her last
Tagal-tagal
Too Good to Be True. Eh nakapag-incognito na si 'di ba? Oh.
Baka mga 2 taon na yung Too Good to Be True.
Oo. Hindi lang, 3 years na.
3 years na. And Catherine is like,
'di ba? Oh.
busy nga siya kay Mark. Happy.
Yun, 'di ba? Well, sabi nga, hindi ako naniniwala sa kanta ni Maureen McGovern na we can have it all. No!
Well, ang ganda-ganda ng yan ha. So Catherine, I hope na nanonood ka, lalo na ang mga nagpapat ng iyong career. Ito po si Alwin Ignacio, Divo That You Love. Kasama ko ang aking kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
Ito po ang Nakiti Show na iniimbitahan namin kayong panoorin kami tuwing Sabado at Linggo, alas 4 ng hapon, sa Diario Tirada YouTube channel at sa aming Facebook pagina. Magandang sada po sa ating lahat.